Good morning.
Good morning, y'all. We are in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. We are about to go have breakfast at the Pancake Pantry. We're super excited for that. The Pancake Pantry is the very first pancake house in all of Tennessee. And if you know anything about Gatlinburg, you would know there is a pancake spot pretty much on every corner here. It's a very popular thing in this area. So since it was the first, opened in 1960, it's still the original recipes. Obviously they did something right. It's in the same original building. And yeah, that's what we're doing for breakfast. I think it's gonna be so good. After breakfast, we're gonna go play mini golf at a place called Hillbilly Golf. And basically you go 200 stories up the mountain, and then it's supposed to be a cool course. We'll find out, we'll take you along on that. And later in this video, we're gonna go drop off some donations in Asheville, North Carolina. We, in our town, we had our jobs, and then also our community came together to donate towards the hurricane victims from Hurricane Helene. And yeah, so we're gonna take you along, see all that, and we'll also put a link down below so that you can donate towards the victims and, you know, helping them rebuild back together and just being there, because, I mean, it was horrible. And yeah. So come along with us for the day. We have a lot of exciting, fun things, and stay tuned.
Y'all, it is so beautiful here. And here's Anarchista, which this is really popular. So they take you on a ski lift up the mountain, or you can, I think they give you like a shuttle up the mountain. There's like a whole like little town up there and little rides and some.
Family park in the sky.
Yeah, it's like a family, like small, like amusement kind of park-ish thing. That's cool. But you got to pay to get up there. But there it is right there. Going up the ski lift. So cool. Maybe one day we'll do that. Where we're eating at.
So this is the pancake menu. You can get old-fashioned buttermilk pancakes or Smoky Mountain buckwheat pancakes, or they have all these lovely different options, and also crepes are included too. So this is pancakes and crepes. And then they also have a regular menu, which again shows the pancakes and crepes, and then also just some regular breakfast items as well. So the first thing that we ordered just came. It's the Peach Delight crepes, and oh my gosh, don't they not look so good?
They look amazing.
So good.
So good.
And there's more food to come, but we're gonna dig in. Okay, so Michael and I also both got this dish here. It has hash browns, ham, eggs, all that good stuff. And then we got two different kinds of pancakes. We got the buckwheat pancakes, which is right here, and then the original buttermilk pancakes. So we want to try both out, see how it is.
Pancake Pantry was thebomb.com for real, for real, for real.
It was so good. I'm stuffed as a puff. We have a lot of leftovers, but it was really good. But yeah, we have a lot of leftovers and our bellies are full. And now we're about to go play mini golf.
Mini golf it out. Hillbilly golf, yep. World's most unusual miniature golf course. Ride the incline and play. Yeehaw, pawpaw. There it is. There's the ride up the hill.
Running slower at it, don't adjust, because the proximity switches are not in the right place. This is an elevator system, but it's set up for 45, so it can go just as fast as a regular elevator.
Y'all, this is so crazy. Look how high up we are.
Alright guys, I'm gonna move that car now. Please step off the wooden platforms. There is a hallway behind that car if you want to change course.
Wow.
Move it.
So we just went up 310 feet on the side of this mountain to play mini golf, and I'm gonna beat Mike's behind.
Nuh-uh. Me and Christina have an ongoing Uno competition that spills into any other competition, so let's go.
It's war.
Ding.
Oh look!
It went?
It goes all the way down there.
Oh, what? That's so cool. All right. She has 2 for this hole.
Could be the other way.
2 for this hole. Oh, so close. So now she's on 3. Oh. Come on. 4. Come on, you're so close.
I know. This reminds me of that game we played last night. I think that cheated.
I'll call it a 6.
Okay.
Oh, I got a hole in one. Eat that.
It took me 6 tries with this one.
6 tries. I got it first try. So Christina just put her ball in this thing and it goes down these pipes and you don't know where it's going. But she ended up almost at the hole. 2. She got it in 2. Hey, that's sick, y'all.
Don't get that on camera. You couldn't do like that.
Oh, well, we got it on camera. And there's a tractor.
I'm cutting that out. Okay.
So I'm gonna show y'all what's up there. Here we go. Let's see where the ball ends up. There it goes. Oh, what? Oh, mine ends up way back here. No way. There it goes. Let's see. Did it go? Hey, it went down there though. Cool. It looks like Christina beat me on this hole. She has 2. I have 3 so far.
Oh no. What happened? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, babe.
We're good.
Oh.
She's in the rough.
Okay.
It's all good, y'all.
I should start from the beginning.
Look, we'll do a redo. Baby, all you gotta do is tap it. Just tap it in.
Take 3. 3rd time's a charm. Oh, no.
One more time. Just tap it. There you go.
Oh, is it coming back? Oh, it's coming back.
Yep, it's coming back.
Okay.
Coming back down the hill.
Oh, I think it's actually.
There you go.
this time.
There she goes.
Where'd it go? Yeah.
Where'd it land? What is it? What? A baby bird?
If it's not a baby bird, then it's a mouse.
Uh-oh. Christina found a house in the mouse.
Look.
That's a mouse.
Wait, what?
Yep.
There's a lot of them. Wait, are you for real? Are those mice?
Where?
They're crawling all up under here.
Well, maybe don't bother them. Well, anyways, Christina hit.
Heads. Are they birds?
I think they're birds, babe.
Oh, look, they're birds. Look, right there. Nope, that looks like a mouse. That's a mouse.
Okay, babe, just do your thing.
Those are mice.
All right, well, anyways, Christina went down this cool course and landed right here.
So, next to this beautiful little area where we were playing, there was clearly little tiny mice. Little family of them. But, you know, we're in their territory, baby. We're just in the great outdoors, you know what I'm saying?
Yep, exactly. Oh, hole in one, hole in one. What? A hole in one. That was so good.
And it bounced off a minute.
Yeah, dog. What? Yeah.
Catching up, baby.
Catching on, baby.
Whoop. So we just finished up at Hillbilly Golf, and that was so much fun. Also, I don't think we said earlier, but it is the 3rd best mini golf course in the United States, and I can see why. It was very fun, very unique. I was horrible at it, but that's okay. It was still a fun time, regardless.
But in her defense, she got better toward the end.
I did get a hole-in-one at the end.
Yeah, she did get a hole-in-one, and it was on a harder hole too, so that was cool.
Yeah.
But loved it.
Now we're out. Oh yeah. Now we're out to Asheville to drop off some donations, and yeah, we'll see y'all later. Another thing, if y'all watched our vlog on Gatlinburg from we went like 2 days ago, and it's the weekend after Thanksgiving. Saturday, it was crazy busy here. Like, it took us over an hour to find parking. Like, it was a complete madhouse. And today is the Monday after Thanksgiving, and it's like a ghost town. Perfect time. So if you are able to, I would definitely suggest, if you come around the holidays, come during the week and not on a Saturday, especially right after a holiday. We're driving through the Smoky Mountain National Forest, and it is beautiful.
Oh my goodness.
Look how gorgeous this view is. We drove this way on our way into town, but it was nighttime, so we could not see any of this, but it is beautiful. Look how...
So this is the ministry we went through. Here's the sign, and then here's the building right here that we can leave donations. Please just send Asheville help. We'll see if we can find a link to put in the description below that's specifically their link to where you can go to their donation center and donate online and in person. God bless Asheville. The really sad thing about this in Asheville is that we're seeing all this area right here is where that river is. This area was totally covered by the river, this road. And all these businesses and buildings are closed, knocked down, damaged. All these people, look at all this.
Oh,
this looks like a bomb went off. Look at that. Everything destroyed.
Look at these trees. Oh my gosh.
Wow, the whole building's down. That got washed in the river. Asheville needs help. This isn't even near the river, like 100%, but the water was all the way up here, which is so crazy. What,
oh
Christina?
My gosh, look.
Yeah, like all that was where the water was.